Guard shot. Another attack on the beryllium team, this time in St. Thomas. 2 friends die in St. Mary crash. Man attending funeral in St. James shot and killed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A security guard was shot and injured following an attack by gunmen on members of the Beryllium Security Company in Albion, St. Thomas on Saturday. The incident brings to 5 the number of attacks against the company in less than 1 year. In several of the incidents, criminals made off with large sums of cash. In the latest incident, reports are that the security guards attached to the company were at a gas station serving an ATM machine when they were attacked by gunmen traveling in 2 motor vehicles. A video of the incident shows criminals with high-powered weapons making a hasty retreat in the motor vehicles that were close by. Police in the area have since launched a probe into the incident and are also searching for the suspects. 2 men who are said to have been close friends died from injuries they sustained in a motor vehicle crash along the Boscobel Main Road in St. Mary on Saturday morning. The deceased are 31-year-old taxi operator Curtis Small and Siobhan Grant, both of Amstead in St. Mary. Reports are that shortly after 2 a.m. on Saturday, Small was driving a Toyota Probox motorcar along the roadway from Ocho Rios, with Grant as a passenger in the front seat, when Small lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a garbage truck. The police were alerted and Grant, Small, and persons who were on the garbage truck were all assisted to the hospital where the two friends were pronounced dead. The other persons were admitted for treatment. Investigators assigned to the St. James Police Division have launched a probe into the shooting death of a man in close proximity to a funeral which was underway at Quarry Salt Spring in the parish on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as Shamari Sterling of a Fellman Corner Salt Spring address. Reports are that sometime after 12 noon, Sterling was standing in the vicinity of the church where the funeral was being conducted when he was pounced upon by armed assailants who opened gunfire, hitting him multiple times. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. A motive for the deadly attack has not been established.